Hello, let's learn how to do a single listing on Flipkart. It's a simple, easy and a very quick process. After login into your seller account, you need to go to listing and click on My Listing page. Post this, select Add New Listing and then select Add a Single Listing option on that page. Here, you can either select your product manually by choosing the relevant category and vertical, or you can simply choose by entering your product category on the box of Search All Categories. After completing this, select the Select Brand button and write down the brand name. For selling branded products, sellers need to have the brand approval letter because not all brands on Flipkart are open for all sellers, as some brands request to restrict the sale of their products on Flipkart without brand approval letter from respective brands. You can follow our next video to check the complete brand approval process. For non-branded products, you can enter the name of your own brand name with which you want to sell your products and click on Check Brand. After getting the brand approval, you just need to press on the Continue button and fill up your product related information here. You need to mention the product image, price, stock, shipping information, product description and additional description. Make sure to enter all the relevant information. This will help the buyer in making the purchase decision. Make sure to check the image guidelines of Flipkart before clicking the photos of the product because every vertical has its mandatory requirements. Once uploaded, click on the Save tab, and if you have the mandatory requirements, you will see the green tick. Similarly, enter all the other attributes. Once you are done, click on the Send to QC button. This is how you can successfully list your single listing. Thank you for watching. For more information, wait for your next video. Please subscribe to our channel for more process videos.